Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a homemade, quick and easy rough puff pastry. Then it's beautifully flaky and buttery. This delicious puff pastry is made from scratch and tastes infinitely better than frozen store-bought puff pastry. This recipe is an absolute godsend. You can make so many great recipes with puff pastry, including delicious puff pastry appetizer, snack, desserts, and even meals using this rough puff pastry. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. To begin, let's combine 1¼ cup of sifted all-purpose flour and ½ teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of chilled unsalted butter, cut in small cubes. Mix until the butter is combined and crumbs are formed. Then incorporate 1/3 cup of ice water and form the dough. Wrap it with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. On a floured work surface, roll the dough into a rectangle until 3 times the length. Fold the dough into 3 sections. Repeat the rolling and folding process for a total of 4 to 6 times. After the last fold, place the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before using. You can also chill the dough overnight and it will keep well for a couple of days in the fridge. Now I want to show you one of the options for cooking with the rough puff pastry. I will make a currants pastries for tea. We'll need to combine 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 spoons of cinnamon. And I am using 1 handful of currants, but you can use any of berries or fruits like. On a floured surface, roll the dough into a 9 by 14 inch rectangle. Cut the dough into 8 pieces. Transfer them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use a fork to prick the center of each piece and brush them with beaten egg. Sprinkle some of the cinnamon sugar over the pastries. Spread currants onto the center of each piece. Sprinkle some more cinnamon sugar on all of the currants. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until puffed and golden. Once they are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. If desired, dust them with powdered sugar before serving and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.